I am at Jalan Pintas Highway, people, and this is an example of JKR designed road. There's the U-turn lane coming from there. There's a side holding lane for U-turn. Okay, very long holding lane. And here's the U-turn sign. And at the end of that U-turn sign, what do you see? Yeah, they put those signboard there. Those signboard are the one that really provides safety at night. You can see this sign clearly, even if there's no straight light. So at the U-turn sign, location, yeah, you see there. And this is what JKR installed on the correctly on the highway, and for the U-turn or turning right holding lane. So that sign prevents you from accidentally climbing over that grassy knoll. Okay, and here's the delivery motorbike going to make a U-turn. Guys, opposite the Mohing Kidon graveyard, also opposite NAMBAZAN, is this holding lane for a U-turn. This one. There's the U-turn road sign, and then it goes to that end. And this place has no lights, no street light yet. And at the end of the way you make a U-turn, it's just one pole, one electric pole. Otherwise, there's no lamp, no nothing. And have you noticed? No warning sign or no reflecting sign like you've seen before at the previous U-turn I shown in the video. Okay? At night, the visibility here is very bad. Sometimes I have to brake hard when suddenly it's the end of the lane, and there are chances that you climb over that pavement at night. So it shows that this road is really not following JKR standard, or not even supervised by JKR, but most probably designed and built by contractors and consultants in their turnkey project. So where is the sign there? Now let's wait for the lorry to pass. Now, and because of the lack of reflectors, some citizens have even tried and put reflectors on that pole. I know, because I was one of them who put that. I put the reflector at the bottom there, and it's not enough. You cannot see it. So others went and added a lot more reflectors. Still, we cannot see that at night. So you're giving a lot of people a chance to get an accident in this place. So guys, government, where are you?